Good morning students, we are going to start the online classes for you. In science, we have first term we have 9 lessons. In the 9 lessons, 5 lessons in physical science, 4 lessons in biology. And in the physical science, 3 lessons in physics and 2 lessons in chemistry. In physics, we have the 3 lessons. First lesson is measurements and measuring instruments. Second lesson motion. Third lesson light. Okay. I have to start the first lesson, that is measurement and measuring instruments. Measurement and measuring instruments. First, what does it mean by measurement? Anyone say? What does it mean by measurement? Measurement is defined as determination of size of an object. It will be defined as determination of size of an object. What's the uses of measurement? What's the use to measure any one thing? If you measure the height of any one object, you know my height, you have to decide I am tall or short. Okay. So, measurement will be very much needed to judge the character of any one thing. Okay. So, next is go for a physical quantity and units. Physical quantity and units. What is meant by physical quantity? Any quantity can be measured easily, that the quantity is called physical quantity. Physical quantity will be classified into 2. One is fundamental quantities, another one is derived quantities. Okay, what is meant by fundamental quantity? Fundamental, was the meaning that fundamental means basic quantities. So then, what are the fundamental quantities? Anyone tell? Length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance, electric current, okay. These are the fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities cannot be expressed in terms of the some other quantities. They are called the basic quantities. And then second quantity is derived quantities. What are they derived quantities? It will be derived from the fundamental quantities. Derived quantities, it will be derived from the fundamental quantities. Can you give the someone example for the derived quantities? For example, volume. What's the formula for volume? Area int height. What's the formula for area? Length and breadth in height. So, this is the derived quantities. The volume is the derived quantity. It will be derived from the fundamental quantity, that is height. So, for units. What is meant by units? Units is giving the specific determination of any one thing measurements. So, what is the meaning of specific denotations? In the ancient times, our father or grandfathers measured the length in terms of feet. Do you know that? Feet, length unit is feet in the ancient time. Now we are use the length, the unit is meter. Okay, do you know that? Then, so some basic units it will be followed in all over the world. In the ancient times, we will follow the 3 or 4 SI unit of system. What are they? Do you know about it? So, okay. You have to note down, and then after I will tell the various system of units. GS, and second one is FPS, and third one is MKS, and fourth one is MKSA and SI. Then you tell the abbreviation of this, all the things. CGS, what's the meaning that CGS? C for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. So CGS, centimeter, gram, second, and FPS, foot, pound, and second. Okay. Then MKS, meter, kilogram, and second. Meter, kilogram, and second. Then MKSA, meter, kilogram, second, and ampere. Meter, kilogram, second, and ampere. The last is a very, very important system of units. It will be followed in all over the world. Was the expansion for SI unit? International System of Units. International System of Units. That the four system of units we should follow in the ancient times. Now all over the world we should follow the SI systems. SI system in physics, do you know that you must know about the units in the SI systems. Okay. Discuss about the units of the various quantities. So first, units for physical quantities. What are the physical quantities? Units for physical quantities. What are the physical quantities? A length. What's the unit of length? Meter. And mass. What's the unit of mass? Kilogram. And time. What's the unit of time? That is second. Then temperature. What's the unit of temperature? That is Kelvin. Then electric current. So unit of current, that is ampere. Then some other physical quantities, electric current and luminous intensity. What is the meaning that luminous intensity? Intensity is the brightness. So any one light will be glowing. The strength of light will be denoted as luminous intensity. So luminous intensity unit is candela. And amount of substance. Unit is mole. See the units of derived quantities. Units of derived quantities. What is the meaning of derived quantities? Derived quantities is derived from the fundamental quantities. For example, already I told area. Area is length and breadth. Length and breadth. So you have to calculate the unit of the area. What's the unit of length? That is meter. What's the unit of breadth? That is meter. So the unit of area is meter square. Then volume. What's the formula for volume? Area into height. Area into height. What's the area? What's the formula for area? That is length into breadth into height. So what's the unit of length? What's the unit of breadth? What's the unit of height? Meter into meter into meter. So SI unit of volume is meter cube. Then density. What's the formula for density? That is mass per volume. Mass per volume. Then what's the SI unit of mass? That is kilogram. then volume meter cube. So kilogram per meter cube or kilogram meter per minus 3. Then that is velocity. What is my velocity? Displacement per time. Displacement per time. Displacement per time. So can you guess the unit for this velocity? What's the unit of displacement? That is meter. What's the unit for time? That is second. So meter per second or meter second per minus 1. Then acceleration. What's the meaning that? What's the formula for acceleration? That is velocity per time. Velocity per time. What's the unit of velocity? That is meter per second. What's the unit of time? That is second. So meter second per minus 2, that is acceleration. Next one is force. What is it by force? What is it by force? Mass into acceleration. What's the unit of mass? That is kilogram. And what's the unit of acceleration? Meter second per minus 2. So unit for force is kilogram meter per second square or Newton. Then next one is pressure. What is mean by pressure? Force per area. What's the formula for force? Mass into acceleration by A. Then you tell the unit for mass, you tell the unit for acceleration, again you tell the unit for area. What is that? Kilogram meter second per minus 2 by area, that is meter square. So meter cancel, then kilogram meter second meter per minus 1 second per minus 2. So that is the unit for pressure. Our next one is simple verse, that is fortnight and moment. What's the meaning that fortnight and moment? What's the meaning that fortnight? Fortnight is the 2 weeks. 2 weeks is called as fortnight. 1 week having how many days? 7 days. So 2 into 7, that is 14 days. So fortnight is nothing but just as a 14 days. Okay, next one is moment. So much of times you tell with your friends, wait for a moment. What's the meaning that moment? What does it mean by moment? Moment is a simple short period of time. What the meaning that simple short period of time? 1/4 of an hour. 1/4. 1 hour. 1/4 of an hour. 1 hour having 60 minutes. So 1/40 into 60 minutes. You have to cancel to get 1.5 minutes. So 1 moment is nothing but 1/40 of an hour, or 1 moment is equal to 1.5 minutes. Okay. So fortnight is nothing but is a 14 days, and moment is nothing but is a 1.5 minutes. Okay, students, what do you learn this today? Measurements, physical quantity, units, fundamental quantity and derived quantities, and then fortnight and moment. So you have to read the 2 pages and then learn and write what are the units for the physical quantity and derived quantities. Okay, thank you, students.